Our product is mainly scooters, electrical scooters.
What is your minimum order quantity?
Our minimum quantity you can buy from even 1 piece or 10 piece, maybe containers.
Is it possible to mix different kinds of scooters
Yeah.
in one box, like in one container? So
Yes, we can mix models. You can order from us.
and where do you ship to?
Our supply warehouse factory in China, and I'm from China. We ship to mostly our headquarters in UAE. We are shipped to Egypt, even Saudi from here. Bahrain we can ship to also. We use the local logistics. For other countries we can negotiate for them, like Africa. We have a repairing center. You can directly come to our shop, drop your scooters, and we can do the service for you. If you bought from us, the service is free of charge. Even we change parts, free of charge, and we can send back to you by couriers. So all of it in the process is free.